No, man, hey, it's cool. It's cool.
Does Sally know you with it?
Of course Sally knows I'm leaving. She testified against me.
Oh. My mom still beats me. It's true, dog. She's going to jail, too. You might see it there.
This is my Kool-Aid pie.
I mean, it's really hurtful. She got really angry at me one day and didn't take out the dishes.
I know how you feel. And man, I just want you to know, sometimes I hate your dog when you're not around. I know, man, I know, it's okay.
Is that why the puppy has 3 legs?
2 now, but yes.
You took that out there?
It was an accident.
Man, don't even give me that. You're ugly.
I know I'm not the attractive person around the block, but you didn't have to say that. I have feelings too, you know.
Apparently not.
I was born a woman, okay?
Is that why you're wearing pink? Why are your teeth so yellow?